Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 7th Subject Science, Chapter number 2, Nutrition in Animals. In last lecture, we have studied with liver, intestinal juices. Okay, now we are going to study absorption in small intestine. The process of absorption occurs in small intestine. Main absorption process occurs in small intestine. The inner wall of small intestine has millions of finger-like projection or folds called villi. You can see here in figure. Here it's shown villus. These are blood capillaries. These help us to absorb all the nutrients from the digestive juices and mix with the blood and transport it to every part of our body. Okay, so the inner wall of the small intestine has millions of finger-like projection or folds called villi, singular form villus. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels called as capillary close to its surface. बेटा हर विलियस को क्या होती हैं, स्मॉल ब्लड कैपिलरीज होती हैं. ठीक है, फ्रॉम दीज कैपिलरीज ओनली दे यूज टू एब्जॉर्ब द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके, these villi give the inner wall of small intestine a large surface area for the absorption of digested food. मेरे ये विलियाई क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं, लार्ज सरफेस एरिया प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फूड. The surface of villi absorbs the digested food material and pass them into fine blood capillaries. ये विलिया एब्जॉर्ब फूड को, डाइजेस्ट फूड को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं और कहाँ पे पास करते हैं, ब्लड कैपिलरीज में पास करते हैं. द एब्जॉर्ब्ड फूड इज कैरीड टू ऑल द सेल्स ऑफ द बॉडी बाय ब्लड. एब्जॉर्ब food is being transported to every part of the body. This food is utilized by the cells to release the energy. बेटा इसी के कारण हमारे सेल्स क्या कर पाते, एनर्जी को रिलीज कर पाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज assimilation of food. Assimilation of food. Blood carries the absorbed digested food from small intestine to different organs of the body. ब्लड क्या करता है, एब्जॉर्ब डाइजेस्टेड फूड को हर एक बॉडी पार्ट तक ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. द डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज़ यूज टू बिल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस सच एज प्रोटीन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ग्रोथ एंड रिपेयर ऑफ द बॉडी टिश्यू. द डाइजेस्टेड फूड which is being transported is being built again into the complex substance such as proteins, which is necessary for our growth and development of the body tissues and etc. This is the final stage in the process of digestion and it is known as assimilation. This is the final stage of the digestion where we get finally energy and the process is called assimilation. In cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide. Glucose breaks with the help of oxygen and into carbon dioxide and water and energy is being released. One glucose molecules, when it is breaked with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water and energy is being released. Amino acids are used for building and repairing of body parts such as worn out and tissues. बेटा उनमें हमारे अमाइनो एसिड्स भी होते हैं. अमाइनो एसिड्स क्या करते हैं, हमको किधर धक्का वगैरह लग जाता है, वर्न आउट पार्ट या बर्न वगैरह हो जाता है छोड़ा हल्का सा, तो उसको वो टिश्यूज़ को क्या करते हैं, रिपेयर कर देते हैं. ठीक है. फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लिसरॉल act as a energy reserves and are stored under the skin for future further use. Fatty acids, you can say glycerols also, used to store the energy, reserve the energy for further use. Thank you everyone.